Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine, staying safe at home with your family. So welcome to the English online lesson with Teacher EU. Today we are going to learn Unit 8 of the Year 6 syllabus under the title How the Tiger Got Its Stripes. We are going to use the textbook page 78 as our reference. So in this lesson, you are going to, number 1, identify animals' similarities and differences. 2, learn new vocabulary. And 3, write some sentences. Alright, so now let's go to the lesson for the day. We are going to focus on the skill of writing and we are going to write about similarities and differences. Okay, similarities means persamaan, differences means perbezaan. Similarities, persamaan, differences, perbezaan. When you write about the similarities and differences between people, places or things, you use the following words. So when we want to talk about similarities and differences, kita nak bercerita tentang persamaan dengan perbezaan between people, orang, places or things, tempat ataupun benda. Okay, we use the following words. Okay, kita guna perkataan ini. Alright, for similarities means persamaan. Okay, untuk menyatakan persamaan. Okay, we can use these words. Alright, there are 3 words here. Okay, the first word is similarly. Similarly. Example of sentence. Cats are household pets. Similarly, rabbits are household pets. The second word that we can use to show similarity is likewise. Likewise. Example of sentence. Chocolates are sweets. Likewise, candies are sweet. Now, the third word that we can use to show similarity is both. Both. Example, both grilled chicken and fried chicken are delicious. Okay, but remember when we use both, we must have the word and to show similarity of 2 things. Now let's go to the differences. Okay, kita tengok differences. Differences mean perbezaan. Okay, when we want to show differences, we can use these phrases. Phrase number 1, on the other hand. On the other hand. Example, Kuala Lumpur is a big city. On the other hand, Kanga is a small town. Okay, it shows the differences between Kuala Lumpur and Kanga. We use the phrase on the other hand. Phrase number 2, however. However. Example, it is cold in the winter. However, it is hot in the summer. The last phrase that we can use to show differences is in contrast. In contrast. Example, the apple is red. In contrast, the lemon is yellow. Alright, so now boys and girls, let's do some practice. Okay, this practice is actually taken from your textbook. Okay, page 78, right? The exercise at this bottom part here. Right, so if you have your textbook, you can look at your textbook and refer to your textbook. Right, the instruction, compare and contrast between a lion and a cow using the double bubble map. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to compare and contrast. Okay, compare means look for the difference. Okay, contrast means look for the similarities. Now there are 2 animals that we are going to compare and contrast. The first animal is lion and the second animal is cow. So firstly, let's compare these 2 animals. right? Look for the differences. Okay, as for the lion, it is carnivore. It has mane yang jambang tu. Okay, and it has paws. Paws is dia punya tapak kaki dia tu. Now, so how about cow? Okay, cow is herbivore because a cow only eats plants, right? A cow also has horns. Ada tanduk, 2 horns. And a cow also has hooves. Hooves is the hard part of the toe of the cow. Okay, kawasan keras dekat tapak kaki cow tu. Cow tu, lembu tu ada tapak kaki yang keras tu. Okay, those we call it hooves. Okay, so now let's look for the similarities of a lion and a cow. Okay, these three are all the similarities of these two animals. Firstly, 4 legs, right? 4 kaki. Secondly, both are animals. Dua-dua haiwan. And lastly, a lion and a cow, both are mammals. Okay, mammals means it gives birth. Dia melahirkan anak. Okay, so now from this double bubble map, okay, let's write sentences on the similarities and differences between the lion and the cow. Okay, we are going to construct sentences. Kita nak tulis ayat. Okay, firstly, let's write about the similarities. Sentence number 1, a lion has got 4 legs. Similarly, a cow has got 4 legs. Sentence number 2, both lion and cows are animals. Sentence number 3, a lion is a mammal. Likewise, a cow is a mammal. Okay, now let's write about the differences. Sentence number 1, a lion is a carnivore. In contrast, a cow is a herbivore. Number 2, a lion has mane. On the other hand, a cow has horns. Sentence number 3, a lion has paws under its feet. However, a cow has hooves under its feet. Right? So I hope you can construct sentences using all the phrases that we have learned just now. Okay, so now boys and girls, let's have a look at the task for today's lesson. Write sentences on the similarities and differences between number 1, the whale and dolphin. Number 2, the cheetah and giraffe. Okay, so boys and girls, you have to write the sentences. Awak kena tulis ayat, alright, about the similarities and differences. Okay, firstly, you have to write the similarities and differences between the whale and dolphin. Okay, whale, ikan paus, and dolphin. Right. So firstly, do this double bubble map. Alright. Compare and contrast the two animals. Right. For example, firstly you write whale, and then here you write dolphin. Here you put all the similarities. Okay, sini semua similarities. The green space here are all the differences. Okay, after that, write the sentences based on the double bubble map. Right? And then secondly, you have to do the same thing, but the animals are cheetah and giraffe. Okay, do the double bubble map and then write the sentences based on the map. Right? So that's all for today. If you have any problem, feel free to ask me through the WhatsApp or Telegram. Right? So good luck and goodbye.